Hey everyone, and welcome back to FitFuel. This is your go-to spot for daily health, energy, and motivation. Are you ready to completely transform your health without turning your life upside down? Great! Because today, I'm sharing Lima super simple habits that can make a huge difference, and you can start them the second this video ends. Whether your goal is to lose a few pounds, boost your energy levels, or simply build a more positive daily routine, these tips will guide you, sir, one small step at a time. Let's get started. First up, habit number 1. Start every single day with a glass of water. Think about it, you've just gone to Johor 8 hours without a drink. Your body is thirsty. Rehydrating first thing in the morning fires up your metabolism, sharpens your brain, and helps you feel awake and alert, often even before that first sip of coffee. It's the simplest morning ritual that pays off all day long. Habit number 2. Move your body every single day. I'm not talking about spending hours at the gym. Just 10 to 15 minutes of intentional movement is all it takes. This could be a brisk walk around the block, a quick stretching session while your coffee brews, or a fun 10-minute workout you find right here on YouTube. Getting your blood flowing releases those amazing feel-good endorphins and sets a positive, energetic tone for the rest of your day. Every little bit counts. Okay, on to habit number 3, choose more whole foods. What does that mean? It means filling your plate with foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think vibrant fruits and veggies, hearty whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are packed with the nutrients your body actually needs to thrive. Processed foods, on the other hand, are often full of empty calories that can leave you feeling tired and craving more junk food just an hour later. Fuel your body with the good stuff, and you'll feel the difference. Habit number 4 is a game changer. Prioritize your sleep. Sleep isn't a luxury you can skip. It's essential. It's the time when your body repairs muscles, balances hormones, and recharges your brain. Most adults need a solid 2 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to function at their best. If you're serious about your health, you have to get serious about your sleep. Turn off the screens, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and let your body do its healing work. And finally, habit number 5, practice gratitude. This might sound a little soft, but the science is clear. Taking just a few minutes each day to reflect on what you are thankful for can significantly reduce stress and boost your overall happiness. You can write it down in a journal or just think about it quietly. Focusing on the good in your life shifts your mindset from what is missing to what is abundant. It's a powerful way to improve your mental and emotional health. So sir, you have it, 5 simple, powerful habits for a healthier, happier you. Remember, this journey isn't about being perfect. It's about consistency. Small, daily actions are what create incredible, lasting results over time. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to FitFuel so you don't miss out on more content like this. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which one of these habits you're going to start today. Let's build this healthy community together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.